Looking for a storage upgrade that delivers blazing speeds and reliable performance? The Slim M2 2280 PCIe General 3x4 NVMe SSD offers read speeds up to 3,500 megabytes per second on select models, making it a powerful choice for gamers, creators, and professionals who demand fast data access and smooth multitasking. This SSD's compact, single-sided design fits perfectly into tight spaces, saving valuable room inside your laptop or desktop. It's compatible with the PCIe interface, ensuring easy installation and broad support across many systems. Whether you're upgrading a gaming rig or building a sleek, efficient workstation, this SSD keeps your setup neat and efficient. One user shared how installing this SSD as the primary storage on their Asus TUF-F15 laptop brought a noticeable boost in speed and responsiveness. Despite a minor hiccup installing Windows, which stemmed from the original SSD, the overall performance leap was clear. That's the kind of upgrade that makes a difference you can actually feel. Beyond speed, this drive is built with reliability in mind to protect your content. While actual transfer rates can vary depending on your hardware and software, the drive's design focuses on stable, consistent performance. You get a solid balance of speed and durability, exactly what matters when you're storing important files or running demanding applications. The only drawback some users mention is the lack of a heatsink, which can be a consideration if your motherboard doesn't include one. The SSD's sleek design might stand out visually if you're aiming for a uniform color scheme, but that's a small trade-off for the price and performance you get here. If you want fast, dependable storage without the bulk, this Slim M2 2280 SSD is worth a look. It offers a practical upgrade path that's easy to install and delivers real-world speed improvements. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming, you'll notice the difference immediately. Ready to boost your system's speed and efficiency? Try the Slim M2 2280 PCIe General 3x4 NVMe SSD when you're ready to upgrade. It's a smart choice that balances power, reliability, and space-saving design, perfect for anyone who wants to get more done without waiting around.